Hey, what is going on, everybody? So in today's video, customer states car smells like farts, and this is going to be a air cabin filter replacement on a 2014 Mazda 6. And I believe that when the car is smelling kind of funky, start with the air cabin filter. All right, so how we're going to remove it and get to the filters, we're going to just pull these two tabs on the right, but first that little clip that I kind of missed out on, you're going to unclip that to the right there, and then from there you're going to pull these tabs out like that, and you can see right there how they're out and they're just kind of sitting. So that's pretty much what you want to do. Pretty much you're just going to squeeze the glove box until you get them out from inside the dash. All right, so once you do that, just go ahead and let the glove box just kind of rest naturally. And then you see right there that little white cylinder that looks like Bender from Futurama. We're going to go ahead and pull that out, and that's going to be our air cabin filter. So we're just going to pull that little tab and pull it out. What the dang?
Damn!
No way, folks. Look at that dirty, filthy air cabin filter. Look up at the top left right there on your screen. That is the engine air filter, and it's cleaner than this air cabin filter. So that air cabin filter is what's filtering the inside of your car. All right, so we're going to go ahead and swap in a new one there. I know Bender's going to be happy. And we're just going to plug it in just like that. Make sure it clicks and seals. You know, you want a nice tight fit. And then we're just going to reverse the process there. We're going to squeeze the glove box, and we're going to get those tabs to go in. You see how I kind of just squeeze it like that. And then you're going to just kind of push. And then there you go. And then it's inside. And then that little clip right there, that's what you're going to unhook at the beginning. And then you're going to hook it back in right there for the end. So now we're all set. Car should be smelling fresh, and change your air cabin filter, people.